Namaste children, welcome to the radio. In today's video we will learn chapter number 5, page numbers 58 to 63 from your mathematics textbook Joyful. 5 little children. 5 little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. One steps out with a roar. Now we are 4. 4 little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. One steps out near a tree. Now we are 3. 3 little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. One steps out with a shining shoe. Now we are 2. 2 little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. One steps out looking at the sun. Now remains 1. 1 little child, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. Last steps out having much fun. Now there are none. 5 little children, raise your hand. कितने बच्चे हैं बस में? How many children are there in the bus? 5. 5 little children, 5 छोटे बच्चे. Here comes your stand. Here comes your stand. Raise your hand. Here comes your stand. हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. Raise your hand. Here comes your stand. देखो आपका स्टॉप आ गया. Now one steps out with a roar. एक बच्चा उतर गया खुशी से. Now how many are there? We are 4. हम अब 4 हैं. 4 रह गए. So this is the first stand. Now 4 little children, raise your hand. Here comes your stand. One steps out near a tree. Now we are 3. अभी कितने बच्चे हैं बस में? 4 बच्चे हैं. रेज योर हैंड, हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. देखो आपका स्टॉप आ गया. कहाँ उतरा एक बच्चा? वन स्टेप्स आउट नियर ए ट्री. एक पेड़ के पास उतर गया. अब हम नाउ वी आर 3. कितने बच्चे रह गए बस में? 3 बच्चे. नेक्स्ट बच्चा, नेक्स्ट 3 लिटिल चिल्ड्रन. कितने बच्चे हैं बस में? 3 बच्चे हैं. रेज योर हैंड, हाथ उठाओ. हियर कम्स योर स्टैंड. आपका स्टॉप आ गया. वन स्टेप्स आउट विथ शाइनिंग शू. वो बच्चा एक शाइनिंग शू पहन रही है. एक चमकाते जूते के साथ उतर गया. अब हाउ मेनी आर हियर? नाउ वी आर 2. अब हम 2 रह गए. 2 little children, raise your hand. अभी कितने बच्चे हैं? 2 छोटे बच्चे. हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. देखो आपका स्टॉप आ गया. तो वो बच्चा क्या करके उतर गया? लुकिंग एट द सन. वो सूरज की और देखते हुए उतर गए. अब कितने बच्चे बचा है? रिमेन्स ओनली 1. Now one little child, raise your hand. अभी कितने बच्चे हैं बस में? एक ही बच्चा. Raise your hand. आपका हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. Here comes your stand. आपका स्टैंड स्टॉप आ गया. आखिरी बच्चा भी having last steps out having much fun. वो बहुत खुशी से आखिरी बच्चा भी उतर गया. अब कोई भी नहीं बचा है बस में. Now let's see what we can learn from this rhyme. So in the beginning, how many children were there in the bus? 5. So we started counting from 5. First 5 becomes 4. Then 5 से 5 से 4 हो गया. Then 4 becomes 3. 4 से 3 हो गया. Then 3 becomes 2. 3 से 2 हो गया. फिर 2 से 1 हो गया. 1 and finally 0 हो गया. And इसमें हम और क्या सीख लिया? Backward counting. That means we started counting from 5 to 0. Then we each time one child gets down from the bus, the number becomes less by 1. So 5. When one child gets down, it becomes 4. Then again we have to subtract 1. When we subtract 1, it becomes 4. Then if you subtract 1 from 4, it becomes 3. Again, when we subtract 1 from 3, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. We also learned about order and sequence. The bus stops one by one at each stand and children get down in an orderly way. Now we have to answer some questions. How many children are there in the bus at the beginning? How many children are there? 5 children. कितने बच्चे हैं? 5 बच्चे. How many children get down from the bus on the first stand? कितने बच्चे उतर के? Only 1 child got down. How many children are left in the bus after the first stop? 5 से 1 जाने से 5 minus 1 is 4. How many children are left after the second stand? Answer the same for third, fourth and fifth stand. So after the second stand, 3 children were left. After the third stand, 2 children were left. After the fourth stand, 1 child was left. And after the fifth stand, no child was left in the bus. So next question is, how many children are left in the bus at the end? So there were no child in the bus at the end. Project work. Find out the number of people at your home. How many are going to school for work and how many stay at home. ये आपको छोटे सा प्रोजेक्ट वर्क है, ये आपको करना है. Let us do. Children, let us do a fun activity. How many left? Look at the picture carefully and count. A. Fill in the blanks. So here we see 6 frogs sitting near the pond. Now look carefully. 2 frogs jumped away. So what we have to do? We have to subtract. 6 minus 2. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So how many frogs are left? 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. We have to write 4 here. Now look at the second picture. This girl has got 7 balloons. Oh, 2 balloons flew away. Now how many are left? Let's subtract again. 7 minus 2 is? Count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So how many balloons are left? 5 balloons are left. So we will write 7 minus 2 is, we have to write 5 here. Now third one, look here. There are 9 bananas. The elephant comes and takes away 6 bananas. Let us subtract. 9 minus 6 is equal to, how many are left? 9 minus 6 is 1, 2, 3. Only 3 bananas left. So we will write 3 here. 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So now we learn to subtract and find how many are left by looking at the pictures. Children, now let us do some more fun activities. Look at each picture carefully. We will count, subtract and find how many are left. So the first one, look at the picture. There are 3 pots. Oh, 1 pot broke. Now we have to subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. So only 2 pots are left. We will write 2 here. 2. 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now second one, there are 7 laddus. The boy ate 4 laddus. So how many are left? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3. So we'll write 3 here. Now look at the picture. There are 7 balls. The children took away 3 balls. So how many are left? 7 minus 3 is 4. So we will write 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now let us answer the following questions. Manisha has 9 bananas. She ate 3 bananas. How many bananas are left? 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we will write 6 here. Next one, there are 8 butterflies on the flowers. 5 butterflies flew away. How many butterflies are left? 8 minus 5 is 3. So we will write 3 here. Let us do some more fun activity. Make your own 10 dots card and hide a few dots from your friends. Ask them how many dots are hidden. This you can play with your friends by making a 10 dot card. Next one, how many dots are hidden and how many dots are visible? Total number of dots 10. So in the first picture, no dots are hidden. So how many dots we can see? 10 dots. Yes, 10 dots are visible. Hidden dots are 0. Visible dots are 10. So we will write 0. It's already given 0 and 10. Next, now some dots are hidden by the hand. You have to count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7 dots are visible. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So hidden dots are 3 and visible dots are 10. So we have to write down here visible dots, hidden dots 3, visible dots 7. Now in the next picture, more dots are hidden. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many dots are hidden? 5 dots. And how many are visible? 5. And now the last picture, only few dots are visible. Let's count. So in the last picture we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. And how many are hidden? 6. Next one, project work. Ask children to make a frame with 8 dots. Now hide few dots using their hands or handkerchief and see how many dots are hidden and how many are visible. Is there any pattern in the numbers? Extend this activity for other numbers. Is it possible to do this without hiding them? So this you can try at home or in class. So today we will learn subtraction by hopping backwards on a number strip. Look at the numbers from 1 to 10. When we subtract, we jump back. So the first question is, jump 3 steps back from 9. So stand on number 9 first, then jump backwards. So how many steps you have to jump back? 3 steps. Let's count together. 1 step back, we will reach 8. 1 more step back, then we will reach 7. Again, 3rd step, we will reach on 6. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Second one, jump 4 steps back from 7. So where we have to stand? On number 7. How many steps we have to jump? 4 steps backward. 1 step back, we will reach 6. Again 1 step, we will reach 5. Again 1 step, we will reach 4. Again if we jump, we will reach 3. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Next one, do the subtraction in your own way. So you have to do this. We'll do one by one. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Well done. Jumping backward helps us understand subtraction in a fun and easy way. Keep counting and keep learning. So children, today we learned to count backward from 5 to 0. We counted numbers by going backward, and we also learned subtraction. We found out how many are left when some objects go away. Using dot cards, we saw hidden and visible numbers. We also hopped backward on the number strip and had fun with numbers. Maths is easy and fun when we learn step by step. See you soon with another joyful maths lesson. Take care.